You've probably seen them, those ugly brown rust streaks bleeding from the screw heads of a white pool cage. While these are often mistaken for surface grime, the discoloration indicates an ongoing chemical breakdown occurring deep within the metal joints. For homes near the coast, the exterior is subjected to a relentless 24/7 barrage of environmental stress, unlike anywhere else. 4 invisible forces are attacking the enclosure at once: extreme cyclonic wind dynamics, the resistance of the screen mesh, electrochemical reactions between the metals, and a continuous accumulation of salt. Surviving these conditions requires abandoning standard inland building practices in favor of highly specialized structural engineering. This map illustrates Exposure D. Under the Florida Building Code, any structure within 600 feet of open water faces significantly higher wind pressures because there are no obstructions to slow the air down. This diagram compares standard 18 by 14 insect screen, 58% open, to denser 20 by 20 no-CM mesh, which is 45% open. This tighter weave restricts airflow, acting like a sail, drastically increasing the aerodynamic drag the frame must resist. During a storm, driving rain forms a microscopic water film across the mesh, sealing gaps and blocking air. Advanced hydrophobic coatings repel this film, allowing air to pass through during torrential rain, protecting the frame from massive lateral pressure. Failing to account for mesh density and rain saturation converts a porous cage into a solid wall, overloading the frame to the point of catastrophic failure. Coastal air creates a conductive salt bridge between steel fasteners and the aluminum frame, triggering galvanic corrosion. The aluminum acts as a sacrificial anode, giving up electrons to the steel, causing it to pit and crumble immediately around the screw threads. Traditional zinc coatings weather quickly, and premium ceramic-coated stainless screws frequently chip during installation, instantly exposing bare metal to corrosive salt air. Dielectric fastener systems solve this by physically separating the dissimilar metals using high-strength synthetic polymers. Utilizing these nylon components breaks the electrochemical circuit, protecting the structural joints from invisible failure and ensuring the frame remains secure for decades. This diagram compares mechanical anchors to modern chemical anchors. Chemical anchors utilize a full-length epoxy bond, providing a much more secure connection to the concrete slab without the violent outward pressure of older systems. The exterior screen is a major vulnerability. Standard fiberglass mesh becomes stiff and highly brittle when exposed to intense, year-round coastal UV rays. Heavy-duty polyester mesh is the necessary coastal alternative, offering superior tensile strength and resistance to tearing from wind-borne debris. Achieving true coastal durability is a holistic process that requires upgrading every physical connection point, from the foundation to the screen fabric. Maintaining these structures requires a monthly, low-pressure freshwater rinse to wash away the corrosive salt electrolyte that builds up on the surface. Cautionary tone: avoid using pressure washers or harsh bleach. These can strip away factory protective coatings and force salt deeper into vulnerable metal joints. Hurricane Milton served as the ultimate coastal stress test for these engineering principles. Standard enclosures that lacked proper wind engineering or dielectric isolation suffered catastrophic destruction, with frames mangled and screening entirely collapsed. In contrast, Screen Factory Florida enclosures remained pristine. Their survival results from monolithic chemical anchors and advanced fastener systems designed for the storm. Screen Factory Florida provides highly engineered construction, a 365-day warranty, and a 4.8 BBB rating, including free 3D project visualization. Deliberate coastal-specific engineering is built for the absolute worst-case scenario, which is the only way to ensure the structure survives when it matters most. Secure your property by scheduling a free consultation and measurement before the next storm season arrives.